Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. So I have completely turned my garden around. I'm going to show you what I've done so far. Sorry I couldn't take you along with me because I wanted to just really get things going, and you know, the camera, having it moving around while moving around, that would have been a challenge. So I am so happier in the sense that I wasn't getting what I really wanted from my garden. I mean, it is not everything that I desire at the moment, but it is enough. And you know, after changing up and fixing up and cleaning up and everything, because I still have a lot of cleaning to do, because I was going to clean and do a video with me cleaning, and then I say, you know what, let me just change things around and then we can go through cleaning up together. So I am so excited to show you what I've done so far and what I have left. I'm going to finish up all of what I've been doing without you. So sorry again because of the camera and the back and forth. That is a challenge for me. If I had a camera person, then yes. All right, so I am just pruning back this banana tree. You can see it's in a new location and just basically cleaning it up. I'm going to clean up all of them right here, and yeah, please just continue with me on the journey and watch me turn my backyard into a thriving food forest. So I just want to welcome all of you. My new gardening family, my faithfulers, my channel members. I love and appreciate you all, and I thank you all so much for your continued support. So let me get this one as well. When I get off most of the banana leaves, I have at least 5 or 6 leaves remaining, which is good for the plant. So it can focus its energy now and giving me a nice bunch of banana. And let me get this one. So yeah, let me show you the progress right now. You can see over there, I've done this with my Malabar spinach. You can see, so the cucumbers are here that were around the back. When I'm completely finished, then I'll give you a tour, right? Because it's a lot of cleaning up. So just take a look. All right, they can see I'm still at it. But yeah, big up to my son who helped me yesterday. He's already gone to school, so I can't tell him to say hi. Yeah, so I am just getting things in place and to have a better feel of my garden. I'm not going to do anything to right here. Well, except top up this soil with my corns there. Yeah, so this is the progress so far. So don't be surprised if you see anything looking different than what I'm showing you now. So my gardening family, tell me what you think about what's going on so far. Still have a little way to go in terms of transplanting, and I have some more seeds that I want to get in the soil. So this is actually the outline that I am using right now. I feel a lot more sense of belonging in terms of the placements of where my plants are. Like, I feel so good. I wanted to have the feel of, a little food forest, that forest feel. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. And I think I'm finally getting it. The breeze right now is blowing. It's so cool and nice. So I'm going to sort out these containers. I'm going to put some other things in there. And I still have, bits and pieces to get done, because I'm going to root up these and I'm going to clean up this bed. So I still have, things to get done. I'm going to fill up these little barrels, cuttings, and I'm going to take my sorrels from around there. I'm going to put some inside here. I have a little cleaning up still to do, but I am just loving the progress so far. Alright, so this is where I leave you for today. I pray that we all will be safe in the storm. For those of us who it will affect, I pray that God's blood coverage will be upon all of us, and may us all stay safe, warm, and dry. God bless you all, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.